I love you right back. Okay, honey? That was a lot of words to put together. I love you right back. Okay, honey? I love you right back. I love you right back. Here she comes. What's she doing? You chasing her? Stella, come this way, Stella. Stella, you still have your blankie and your passy? Oh, blankie and passy. Look at your passy. Oh, Stella, such a baby, princess. Beep, beep. What we got? Look at that, Stella. Look. Oh, a card. It says a gift for you from Deborah Neal in California. Look. Oh, guys. There's Casey. Hi, Casey. There's Baby Blue. Oh, all the kids say thank you. Oh, don't eat our pretty bag. You want to see what's in there? Oh, everybody's watching. Stella, look what else we have. Oh, look, Stella, look at more. All kinds of num-nums and treasures. Look. Hi, Allie. Look at all this. Look at this from Christine's Chop Shop. Healthy pastas, blueberry pomegranate Birdie bread mix, and sprouted Birdie bites, soak and serve chop. And we are holistic here, so this is absolutely fantastic. Thank you. We love it. Thank you. Look at what we got. We got specials. Yeah. You can't eat it though. Look at what we got, babe. Look at. Oh. All right, mommy do. All right. Thank you, everybody. We love you. Thank you. You love it, don't you? Yeah. Look at Bubbles! Look at that! Look! We got from My Safe Bird store that we love so much. We got these really, really cool mats that you can hang and just hours of fun and entertainment. Actually, we've wanted these for a couple years, so I'm so excited. And then from your friends at the Parrot of the Hills Bird Club, we got Rowdy Bush. Didn't we? Feed all these kids. Hi, Bubbles. Yes. Hi. Say thank you. Say thank you. We love you. Hello. Hi. Hi, guys. Say thank you. Thank you, Roberta. Stella. Say thank you to Kayla. Say thank you. Oh, this is so amazing. Thank you so much. Thanks, Bubbles. Oh, you guys are gonna eat. Oh, look it. Say thank you to the absolutely wonderful, wonderful people that have helped us in this time of need. We will never forget any of you and feel very, very blessed. And we will definitely pay it forward once we get back up and running. Okay. Say, I love you, Bubbles. Hi.
Hi guys, so this is Cameron's boutique that she has on Etsy. Link will be below. She makes all kinds of cute things to help support her birds, and I just want to get the word out. And another thing, she also has a PayPal, which she did not want me to bring up, but I'm gonna do it anyways because rent is coming, and you know what, she has birds that need ongoing vet care, and it's super important that this bird family stays together. And normally Cameron is the one helping people, so she's not used to having, you know, it flipped around. So she's just a super special person. And if you want to help in any way, links for everything will be below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you to everyone who donated to her. You guys rock.
Well, let me see. Oh, what you got? My Safe Bird Store. That's the best store in the whole world. Look at that. Yes. Oh, say we love you. Thank you. Yay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you don't want to share it. You love it. Well, Mama has to put that on our fridge. Look.